Madhuvanti?
That's
Let me get
incorrect.
your opening
That's
comment.
incorrect, Nadali.
Nikhil, Madhuvanti. Unless your name is Madhuvanti, yes.
Good evening, Niranjan, and good evening to all my fellow panelists. I will speak, and then Nikhil, you can speak because my name is Madhuvanti. And the first point being, Niranjan, they did not just did they cut the Punul, they did a Punul ceremony for a pig.
Yes, I remember.
And they
that.
made it a big issue. And they projected it as though they had achieved something really phenomenal. They just failed to realize that one of the Dasavatarams of Lord Vishnu is Varahamurti, who himself is in the form of a boar and a wild pig. They forgot that, but they thought they had achieved something by putting that punul to the pig. Now that's how the Dravidian ecosystem functions in Tamil Nadu. They will say Sanatan is equal to dengue and malaria. Then most recently, a sitting minister in Tamil Nadu openly spoke nonsense about Shaivism, Vaishnavism and women. And, it went up to the scenario where the High Court had to ask the police why they have not yet filed an FIR against this minister. And nobody opens their mouth. And I just want to know where the seasonal Janayudari leader of the Congress, Sri Rahul Gandhi, is today. He's hiding? I want to know. Because he called himself a Janayudari Brahmin and Hindu. And now the Janayu has been asked to cut off. And what is something that I really want to ask is, even to write an exam, what is the problem if a Janayu is worn inside a shirt? If Janayu is not being flaunted outside or worn outside, for instance, like the hijab. So why is this Janayu being asked? They're not even asking to remove it. They are saying cut it. So what is the motive behind this? Who are you trying to satisfy? In the hijab issue, it was a matter of uniform, if you remember. The girls, and even there, everybody questioned it and said, no, there is freedom of religion. They have to be allowed to wear the hijab. Fine, we agree to that. Then what is the problem if a boy wears a Janayu inside his shirt and goes to take an examination? Why do you have to say remove it and cut it if you want to take the examination? So what are you trying to prove? Who are you trying to satisfy? Which minority group are you trying to satisfy? For what vote bank? And why is this happening again and again and again to the majority of this country? Are you saying that Hindus are spineless and we have to follow all this rubbish if we have to take an examination in this country? I don't understand. And where is the Janayudari Brahmin, Mr. Rahul Gandhi? Where has he gone hiding?